Hey guys, this is CM's Werner on Bimmer Forums. This is just a video of a first startup, or a like 8th startup. I'm going to give you a walk around real quick before I start it up. I am having a few problems with it, and I apologize for the iPhone video because it zooms in a shitload. But right now I have the mass airflow sensor unplugged, and I also have the boost gauge just wired up right here because I want to get a different nylon, tubing for it, because that's a pain in the ass. But I'm just running just a breather filter off the crankcase vent. It's just custom, intercooler piping. I powder coated it myself. It's a bottom mount SPA Manifold Precision 6262 turbo setup. And it is running an ICS Stage 1 tuning kit, which is also, I believe, tuned for it's a Boost Logic tubular manifold with a GT35R. So it's a similar setup, but it should run fine. I am having trouble with it when the mass airflow sensor is plugged in. We're trying to get on that. It may be a bad math. It could be something else. But yeah, here's a first startup without the mass airflow sensor plugged in. Yeah, that is downpipe only. That's why it's so damn loud. I'm planning to fabricate an exhaust straight 3-inch with MagnaFlows. It's going to keep it simple. But yeah, that's basically it. Months and months of fabricating and stuff coming together. It's kind of cool. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully I figure out this goddamn mass airflow sensor problem, but it runs fine.